I don't know why it looks like that, but it does. So right now we are getting free samples of coffee. Look, there's a Connie.
It's so good.
This is chocolate macadamia coffee.
I don't know about that. I don't know, but we're getting free samples of coffee. If you read the signs, free. We like free. Free.
Especially after breakfast.
Oh my god. What is that, chocolate?
Yeah.
Breakfast was rough. Like we
$28.
couldn't get no bacon or eggs this morning. I was mad about that one. I had some cereal and some bread.
Someone drink it.
I know, but we got some free samples of coffee and I just whipped up the best one. How'd you do that? Weird. Coffee was good. The little cup of coffee that I just made was so good. I'm gonna have mad coffee breath. She's a whole mood right now. And then Skylar goes there. You could barely be in the camera. He's so small. Just so tiny. Look at her. Face. Anyways. So we're on a tour today. And this tour is going to be about like a 10-hour tour. And we left the hotel around 8 o'clock. And it's like 9:45 now. We've only been on this tour for an hour and 45 minutes. So what have we been doing? Just driving? I've been asleep, so I don't know, but we got a long day ahead of us. Like, we're not gonna get back to the hotel till 6 o'clock, and I'm just convinced we just driving at this point and looking. I keep hearing about volcanoes and coffee beans, volcanoes. I'm just here for free. The free. I might make me a little cup of coffee, cause that was good.
I already forgot what
That coffee was yummy. Where's Skylar? Skylar, when we be open coffee. Oh, Mountain Rose. I mean, yes, that coffee. Oh, but it was recording.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yeah. I'm making my coffee.
I'm about to make Skylar some coffee because she doesn't believe in
Are
coffee.
you a barista?
I'm gonna make Skylar some coffee and she's gonna like it. First, you gotta get some creamer. One creamer is enough. No.
I'm gonna watch you closely. Which one's mine?
Get your creamer.
Nicole!
Ew, look at the stick. Look at the stick. You're getting a messed up stick. You gotta do that. Swivel it around. Making a mess. You can get some napkins. The key to good coffee is not to have it too sweet. You gotta put like 3 packets of sugar in it.
3?
Yeah, I put 3 packets of sugar. It tasted good. This is not even a shot. I had 3 packets of sugar.
That's a shot. And then 3. I used 1.
It's still bitter.
No.
I gotta have like a little sweetness.
That's what I used to do when I was little.
I mean, I didn't make it too sweet. It was like a decent sweet.
I don't know, girl. I felt like 1 packet was very sweet.
Your taste buds are different from mine, cause
Well, I guess so.
I know.
I know I'm just making a mess at this point. Here, I'm gonna let you taste it, and if it's not sweet enough, it's only 1 packet of sugar in there.
You only put 1 in there?
Yeah.
Dude, put another one in there.
That's what they claim. Hey, that's too much sugar.
Well, I'm not them.
Yeah.
I did half a pack.
I don't have taste buds. I'm happy hyped up, Skylar.
I'm ready.
You want one more pack?
I mean, yeah, go for it. You're making it.
One more pack of sugar.
No.
This is how you make a shot of coffee good. There's Skylar. She could fit in the screen at the same time because I can't.
Nice energy.
I know. She couldn't even finish her bang yesterday.
Yeah, and then I threw up afterwards.
I didn't know that. Try it. Hold on. Gotta get the reaction.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That is how you make coffee. I got tea. What'd you get? Tea. Oh, I don't drink coffee. I barely drink tea.
I don't either, but this actually looks pretty good.
Right, see? That's how she liked the coffee. Perfect, not too sweet.
It's actually good.
See? To keep making good coffee in a little cup like this, you fill it up, kind of full, and then you put 1 creamer in it. You don't need too much creamer. Then you get you some pure cane sugar, 3 packets of it. You put it in there.
1. That's ridiculous.
Right, because y'all don't like sugar in yours on me. I can't like sugar in mine. Guaranteed to bounce you off the walls. I'm probably gonna have to pee. I need something to boost my energy. Sugar in it. How's your tea? You put sugar in it?
Ooh, what tea did you get?
I don't drink coffee, so I'd rather drink tea. So
I love tea. And coffee. That's what people be staying
that's the end of that show. You get a hot dog, Smarty. I got a burger, and I got my apple turnovers. Oh, I've been craving. I wanted to go back to that bakery, but we didn't get a chance to. But I got 2 apple turnovers. You don't understand how good life is right now.
Where's Nadia?
So we're back on the van. That was a pretty good lunch. This whole trip, like being away from basketball for like 2 weeks, is gonna cost me the gain weight. What is that?
You want to try it?
What is it? Just pretzel?
No.
Oh no, but that was good. I had a hamburger,
Me either.
2 apple turnovers. I ate one of them there, but I'm trying to save the other one for the trip, and a soda. So unhealthy eating, but it's okay. You can make up for it. We still got a bunch of hours of this trip. And we're just rolling in this van. This van's actually pretty comfortable though, I have to say. Need some internet. Sad to say that this is our last day in Hawaii. We had so much fun. But sometimes you gotta go. So we are about to get on like a 7-hour flight. 7 hours. It's gonna be rough. If I thought 9 was rough, 7 about to be rough. Well, no, not really.
You want to try one?
But at least I'll think I tried.
Spicy.
And then I can
I really can try one.
You want to try
I
one?
just feel like I need to.
What is it? It's barbecue rig. Let me try it.
ASMR.
It's an ASMR channel.
I want to address the fact that I didn't get anything for my birthday.
I don't eat spicy stuff.
Yeah,
me either, so I
thought
thought it was spicy too.
Like I expect something.
Anyway, I had a good time on this trip. What about you? Well, we know her answer, but sorry to say sorry to Hawaii. We can always come back.
Oh, girl. Sorry to say bye to Hawaii.
Sorry. Sorry.
We'll be back one day, and when I do come back, I'll have money because I felt broke here. But yeah, I didn't feel broke. I was broke here. Current update. We come to a place at 5:49 in the morning where it's like -9 degrees. You can see your breath coming off the plane. That's a problem. Should we go back to Hawaii? Mainly for the weather. Not so much the food, but the weather and the water, stuff like that. It was a nice smooth flight, I say. I didn't get a lot of sleep. Foot fell asleep. My foot got more sleep than I did. But we got one more plane to go on before we make it home. And that'll be our final destination. We're not going anywhere else for a long time. Being in Hawaii for 2.5 weeks on the school trip, and 3 planes later, coming from Minneapolis when it was like -6 degrees there, we have finally made it back home.